I wanted to change out the fixtures in my kitchen and my bathroom. I decided I'm going to attempt to try to do this myself. I studied a lot of YouTube videos and I figured I can do this myself. It seems pretty simple, and it was. This piece that I have my hand on is if you have more than one hole. Both holes in my faucet and my sink are single holes, so I didn't need to use that plate. However, I was able to install this very easily, and I will leave a link to these items in the description box. I did not film myself installing this because the space, it wasn't that easy as far as, I had to lay down on the ground. I didn't have that much leg room, and then I couldn't figure out how I would have the camera set up, and I didn't have someone to hold the camera for me. So there it is. Now this one is the kitchen faucet. I always wanted one of these, and I was torn between going the stainless steel or black because everything in the kitchen is stainless steel. Now my appliances have black and stainless steel, so I decided I'll just go for the mixed metal look. And eventually I will probably replace the cabinet handles, or I'll probably leave them alone or spray them. I don't know. I'm so confused half the time. I don't know. Okay, here's a new faucet in the bathroom. And then we got the little pop-up thingy, so you can fill up the sink with water. Here's the faucet installed, and it lights up. So when the water, see the colors? It's blue because it's cold, then it'll turn green when it's semi, and then red when it's actually hot. So let's see it. See what happens. First, let me make sure I have it on hot. Yep, it's on hot. Oh, it's turning green now. It's blinking, it's getting hot. It's hot. Okay. Now, I mentioned I'm going to leave in the description box. Also, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. I'm not doing a vlogmas. I've never done one before. Turn the light off. Let you see it, how it lights up in the dark. See that? Isn't that nice? Yeah, I'm not doing a vlogmas. Maybe next year. I can barely get a video out a week. So to try to do this every day, not right now. But during the holidays, I'm going to try to push out more DIYs. As you can see, here it is. It's getting ready to change from medium to hot. As I mentioned previously, it's blinking. It's going to turn red when it's hot. And there it is. It's hot. Okay, now that I've changed this faucet, and let's see, I've gotten this with a little black mixed metal feature here for the paper towel holder. As I had mentioned, the light fixture up there I wasn't going to try to change out right now. I could do it, but I'm still intimidated by doing electrical, which I have done in the past. So I don't know why I'm so scared all of a sudden. Anyway, as you see, I did spray paint these knobs, or these handles, matte black. Still have to, what the hell is that? I'm still going to have to spray. I still want to spray this black, as well as the paper towel holder and the towel holder. Let's see, changes I've made. I've added this DIY artwork here with the IKEA picture frame. Of course, I've added the ledges a while back because it's limited space in this garage. Oh God, it's limited space in this bathroom. And this here. I changed out the rug to this rug. There's another one somewhere. So yeah, this is what my bathroom is looking like for right now. I also added this vase that I had from Home Goods and some flowers I had a while back.